Hey, welcome back in Man 2040 Business Technology Psychology Thinkcast. And in this Thinkcast, we talk about business, we talk about technology, we talk about psychology. But most importantly, we talk about the procedure, we talk about the steps. What are those core steps which you can put in the process to achieve that desired outcome? Okay, so today I'm going to talk something very interesting, and that is if you are an IT company, you provide an enterprise solution technology for a specific vertical, then how to present that technology. In this Thinkcast, I'm going to talk about that. So let's suppose you build an IT solution, you build an ERP technology for textile company, right? And the objective of this technology is to manage textile processes from raw material to spinning to weaving to dyeing and finishing, right? And the time you are in front of the client, generally what happens in the consultative selling, you sell idea, right? You explain, right? Technology can reduce many hours of downtime. It can improve cycle time. It can manage throughput time, time to market, inventory, quality, process, and everything. And that makes sense. That makes sense. But human being, including C-level executive, we are very physical person, right? We are more on appearance, right? We love to see things, not just in talking, but in the imagination. So let's suppose you are in front of the manager and you say, yes, we build the technology, and this technology also manage your spinning process. And then what you do, the time you are talking about spinning, you take a small, how to call this woven, this yarn with you, and then start talking, right? In the spinning process, what we do, we manage a spinning process where we manage machines, we manage production scheduling, all type of yarns, all type of processing in the spinning and color, yarn dyeing, everything. And we have many clients, those who are the yarn manufacturers for technical textile, for non-technical textile. And we have been providing this technology from past many years. And we can do the same for you, right? And if you are interested in our technology, we can give you a demonstration like how the yarn is spinning manufacturing companies, or how yarn manufacturing companies, how spinners are really getting the core business value from this technology, right? So let's see like what I did. I just put the time I'm talking, I'm just showing you this bovine, this yarn bovine, right? And it's making an impact, right? It's helping these managers, these operational managers or C-level executive who have the imagination. So that means lots of people talk about the technology, and technology is very much, software technology is not tangible, it's intangible, right? And it's what happened, the time things are intangible, it's very difficult to imagine the business value, right? But if you make it tangible, connecting the dots or connecting the ecosystem, connecting something which is very much related to that process, then it has different impact. So my advice is this: the time you are talking with the companies about your IT system, IT technology for textile processes. For example, it could be for any other process, but at the moment I'm talking about just a textile. So take some gadget with you, take some product with you, put on the table the time you're talking with them. And during that talk, just take it out and show them, just play with it and just talk, just say like, we build a technology for for young manufacturers, and we have been doing this from past many years. The objective of technology is to manage entire production of yarns, entire production, managing entire warehouse, managing entire supply chain, and we can show you the demo, right? So it's the time you show like the time you talk with something tangible in your hand, it differentiate yourself with a normal software IT company who may be the market leader in that field, but it shows that you have the real technical knowledge about the industry, right? You understand the nut and bolts of that particular process and the product, and your communication become more authentic, and people will have desire to hear from you more, and maybe next step towards the demonstration, right? And you can do the same thing in the demonstration. So that's my advice, right? Just not show the technology in PowerPoint and demonstration, but also connect the technology to something very tangible that will be the real differentiator. Thank you very much. Goodbye.